In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L380 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to proceed at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, please proceed with the best matched. Click on Open to continue. So from here, you need to wait until everything are set here before we proceed. Once the search bar would be available, please type for Epson space L380 driver. Once done typing, hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. So you would be able to see a result like this. Select any of the result. Anyway, they have similar options as long as you can download the printer driver, which is the Epson L380. That's good. So here you can see a window like this. Please click on downloads to refresh the page. And all you need to do is you need to wait until you can see the driver that we can download. So from here, select your operating system, click on this down arrow key and choose Windows 11. Just select any operating system. Just select the operating system of your PC or laptop, then click on go so that you can search for it. So eventually it will refresh the page. All you need to do is you need to click on downloads once again and kindly wait until a driver would be available for us. And once it's here, click on this driver and select on download aligning to it. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on accept. And from here, it will now start on the downloading. Click on keep and please wait until this would be done before we continue to the installation. Once done, you need to click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So from here, please make a right click, go with the Scott icon, okay, and once done, close the window as well as this one. And here at the desktop, kindly make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted it, you need to extract the file. So there are two ways on how to do such. You can simply double tap to it, and then that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click on it. And from here, please navigate to the WinRAR tool and go with extract to. Now, kindly wait until it would be successfully extracted. Okay, so we just have to wait, and once a new file folder has been created, meaning we have successfully extracted it, all you need to do is you need to navigate to the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So from here, please kindly wait until everything are set here. And once a left pane will be available or everything are set, please navigate to the Bluetooth and devices. Under the Bluetooth and devices, you need to navigate with this option called printers and scanners and click on add device. Now, once an option would be available, which is the printer that I want isn't listed, click on add manually. And from here, choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. It could be 001, 2, or 3. In my case, I'll be setting 1. Next. Click on next and go with have disk. Click on browse. And from here, you need to navigate with the desktop and scroll down and locate with a restricted file. Double tap to it. Double tapped. Select any of the printer driver here. Anyway, the function similarly, click on OK and it would be placed here. So click on next, go with next, and it will now start on the installation. So please wait until this would be done. Okay, so if you would like to allow for printer sharing, turn this on, or you can turn the other on if you don't want to. So click on next and go with finished. And there you have that. You have just successfully installed the Epson L380 printer series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So close the window being opened and you're good to go. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.